Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Now this is summer time and we are really making and enjoying some nice refreshing drinks, isn't it? You all must be doing that too. And recently I posted Thandai recipe which was made with freshly soaked ingredients. We ground those ingredients and made it. Now there's another way of making which is easier. You can make the Thandai spice mix. That's ready and kept in the refrigerator. Whenever you feel like having Thandai, you just make Thandai with that. Apart from using it to make Thandai, you can also use it to make many desserts like Thandai shots and Thandai panna cotta, many more. So let's make this versatile and very flavorful homemade instant Thandai mix. Homemade instant Thandai Masala powder. This is a very handy spice powder to make and store in summer. You can enjoy your Thandai or Thadal anytime you wish to. And when you have sudden guests, you have a treat for them too. Here we have half cup of almonds, quarter cup of cashew nuts, quarter cup of pistachios, handful of rose petals, about 15 to 20 green cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 2 tablespoons of muskmelon seeds, and saffron 2 to 3 pinches. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box also. Now let us grind the ingredients. We will grind them separately. Now first I am grinding cumin, fennel, cardamom seeds and peppercorns. The reason is that small quantity grinds easily also, and the nuts and seeds have oil in them. This is done. Remove it in a plate. Next add the rose petals, poppy seeds and muskmelon seeds. Small grinders are really handy for this purpose. This is also done. Remove it in the same plate. Next put the almonds and cashew nuts. These contain more oil. When you are grinding them, grind them like pulsing them little by little. When you grind them continuously, the heat extracts oil out of them. Finally, the pistachios. I am putting them separate because they are sliced and will not take longer time. This is also done. Now remove everything in the same plate. Mix them with a spoon until everything is combined very well. This mixture is really very handy. You can enjoy your Thandai anytime you like, and this also can be used to make many desserts like panna cotta, Thandai shots, so many. Let it cool very well, then you fill a airtight jar and refrigerate this. If you are finishing it very fast, like say 2 to 3 weeks, it can stay out, but it's always better to refrigerate because the flavors are all intact and fresh when you keep it in the fridge. Here we go. So friends, do give it a try. Make and store this homemade Thandai spice mix or masala powder. You make and enjoy your Thandai throughout the summer season. This way it's very easy, and homemade is always the best. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying and liking all my videos. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for the next recipe. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.